Hello students, welcome to Sure Success classes. In this session, we are going to learn different types of lines. Students, watch this session thoroughly so that you will be able to understand the concept of different types of lines. So, let's start. Students, there are three types of lines. First is parallel lines, next is intersecting line, and third one is perpendicular line. First type of lines is parallel lines. When two lines never meet each other, at that time those lines are called parallel lines. See here, these two lines, line XY and line PQ, never meet each other at a point, so these two lines are parallel lines. And parallel lines, the distance between two parallel lines or more than two lines is same, means they are at a same distance from each other, and these lines are on the same plane. At that time those lines are called parallel lines. These lines are denoted by this sign or this symbol, and when we write at that time line XY parallel to line PQ, we read it as line XY. We know the symbol of line. Line XY is parallel to line PQ. In the same way, we can write here line MN is parallel to line AB. We write it as line MN is parallel to line AB. Examples related to such type of lines are stumps of wicket and rails of railway track. Next type of line is intersecting line. When lines cross each other at a point, at that time those lines are called intersecting lines. Here line AB and line DC cross each other at which point? Point P. So at that time those lines are called intersecting lines, and they may be intersect each other in this way or in this way. So such type of lines are called intersecting lines. Let's move to next type of line, that is perpendicular lines. The lines which intersect each other to form right angle. Right angle means 90-degree angle. At that time those lines are called perpendicular lines. Here line AB and line CD intersect each other at point J and they form a right angle. Right angle is denoted by this sign. At that time these two lines, line AB and line CD, are perpendicular lines, and they are denoted by line AB is perpendicular to line CD. This is the symbol of perpendicular. Keep in mind the symbol. We read it as line AB perpendicular to line CD. Students, let's try to revise this session through this question based on today's topic. Here the question is identify each pair of lines. Some lines are given and we have to find out its type. In first, these two lines intersect each other to form 90-degree angle. This is the sign of 90-degree angle, and at that time those lines are which lines? Yes, perpendicular lines. Those lines are perpendicular lines. In next question, these two lines are having same distance between them and they never intersect each other. At that time, those lines are called parallel lines. And in third, these two lines only intersect each other at point. At that time, or cross each other at point. At that time, those lines are intersecting lines. In this way, we can find different types of lines. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly subscribe our channel. And if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box. Share these videos with your friends.